My fellow citizens, this is Zhaheer Jhanda, Member of Parliament from Nyaribari Chache constituency, Kisii County, and I just wanted to share something with my fellow citizens, that how much I wish Kenyans knew how deep the whole President William Samoei Ruto is pulling Kenya from. A hole that was dug so deep by the handshake brothers. And instead, we will be praying for more of God's grace, more of God's wisdom, strength, and guidance for our beloved president. The NSIS may not permit us to post some of those critical information on media, but God knows what this man, William Ruto, is doing for this motherland. Na hatuwezi kuruhusu Kinyangarika na makunguru wengine kutusumbua. The Inspector General of Police, you are doing a great job. Pongezi. Kamata ndani. Kamata ndani. Kamata ndani. Mtu akileta mchezo, rubber bullet, waende nyumbani wapumzike. The president is doing what we chose him to do as Kenyans. Let us give the president time to implement the plans, the agenda, and the programs that he has, and what he promised the citizens of this country. And as you are aware, the president is a president for all Kenyans, for those who voted for him and for those who did not vote for him. And we, as citizens of this country, know very well how much the president is doing to ensure that the economy of this country grows and picks up rapidly. You know, currently we are struggling as a country to pay external debts that were incurred by some criminals in the last regime, including the former president. And I want to say, Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, we know what is going on. Na sisi hatujalala. Ile pesa yote mumepeleka huko, mnajua wapi? Tutaleta hizo pesa hapa. You know what is going on? You are trying to finance anarchy and mayhem. You should be ashamed of yourself, Mr. Kenyatta. Why? Because you are talking about peace. You are going to represent Kenya in Congo. Kumbe ni silaha unaenda kununua Congo, kupea watoto wako, wape Mungiki, wakuje waumize wananchi wa Kenya. Na watoto wa maskini, wale watoto wenye wanaenda kupigana kwa mabarabara, hao watoto wanapatiwa mawe na hawa mabwenyenye. And that is why we are calling upon all government agencies to investigate those children of Uhuru Kenyatta and have them answer where they got 127 guns, and if they are licensed and not licensed. And we are asking the Inspector General of Police, kamata, weka ndani. Hii Kenya sio ya familia moja ama mbili. Mulitusumbua, mukaibia wa Kenya, mumetusurutisha, na sasa mumesumbua William Ruto, tena mukuje musumbue yeye kwa hii serikali yake. Haiwezekani. Tuko na nyinyi na tuko na nyinyi mpaka mwisho, bumper to bumper. Nonsense. Na mtajua mjui.